What's up, amigos? My name is Antonio and welcome to Think Builder. Now today's video is just going to be a little short video, just so I could apologize for not uploading this past week. And the reason was because I've been real busy, not only with work, but it was also my kid's birthday. It was my nephew's birthday, so I was too busy with that. But anyways, I can let you guys know what I'm planning on doing for the future videos. But first, I want to give a big thanks to 3 people. The first person is a lady named Karen. The other one is Stitch. I don't know how to pronounce it. And the third one is also, which I can't pronounce as well, is Cahoon Nationals. I think that's his username. But I want to thank those 3 for the donations, because with that money they gave me, I'm going to finally start working on my exposure unit. Just barely on, I think it was Friday, I bought the UV LED floodlight, also with the timer. So I have to wait till that arrives, which is going to be like around between the 20th or the 23rd of April. So I could finally start exposing screens a lot faster and more efficient. So I just have to wait till those come out, till those arrive, I mean. So once that light arrives, I'm going to make a video of me testing it out. But since that is going to take a while for that to arrive, I'm going to make a video on starting a clothing brand, because I've done it and trust me, it's a lot harder than it looks. So that video I'm going to make is going to explain you how to do it and a way to learn from my mistakes. So that's going to be working on. Also another video on doing my first how do you say it, simulated process print. Now I do have a lot more videos planned out, but it does take me a while to not only to film them but to edit them, because like I mentioned, I have a full-time day job. I work 7 days a week from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. so you know, I have a small amount of time to work on these videos and also on my printing. And the only time I can get a day off is if I ask for it. So yeah, just be patient. I will keep making videos. Just make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified when I do upload that video. And you can keep in contact with me better on Instagram and on Facebook. So if you have any questions for me, or you have any ideas on a video you want me to make or explain something, just leave a comment here or message me on Facebook or Instagram, any of those 3 platforms. Now there is one video that I do want to make for you guys, and it's mostly for me, and I'm going to make a video for me actually going out and looking for clients, because that's something I need to really work hard on, because I need more print orders to actually, you know, start bringing in work in here, making money. And I know since I started, I keep telling myself I'm going to be doing that, you know, walking around, you know, downtown, handing out my business cards. But I'm saying it here because I know once I say it here and tell you guys, I'm basically obligated to actually do it. So that's one of the videos I'm going to be making. I don't know how long it's going to take me, but I'm going to ask for a day off one of these days. Go out there and, you know, just start talking to people, business owners, you know, hey, do you want a screen printing service? So yeah, that's one video I really want to make, and that's mainly for me. So keep an eye on that. Well, you guys, well, that's all for today's video. Just so I can remind you guys that I'm still here, and just to apologize that if I did feel like I took a long time to upload a video, but there's the chicken again. But yeah, just keep an eye out on those videos I'm going to be making. So one last thing, just a reminder to subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow my Instagram, like my Facebook page, leave a comment here on YouTube because it helps me out a lot. I'm trying to grow this channel, so if you can, share one of my videos on Facebook or Instagram, anything that will help me. Also, you have an idea, again, leave a comment and I'll look into it. But in the meantime, I'm out.